faucet swap was one of the easiest mods I have ever done. No tools are needed, and the results are quite nice. I'm going to try to reuse this. You know, it's a hack. It's a hack job, but I've got an emotional attachment to it. As you know, I have a soft spot in my heart for this rudimentary wine rack. I just had to find a good spot for it. I tried everywhere. And for those of you wondering whatever happened to the cozy lamp, that lamp is right back where it always sat. This time it's mounted to the end of the folding counter extension with magnets. I take it down when I'm driving.